So again, in the foreground, if you can see the perspective and kind of just at least give the plane of this and then put the ellipse in there, that's going to get you started. It's a double ellipse there. If you can find the center from that plane, that's going to go straight out there. And then the overall width of this is going to taper into that. So the handle is going to take up a major portion of this, and as it gets off to the side again, trying to locate that section for it. And this is just going to be a bigger circle on the outside, but again it's going to taper down. Into this. So the overall space it takes up is not too big as it goes on there, but it does have all of these pieces in here. Labeling, and you can kind of see the end. Section has a hole in it. A little bit of a cable coming out of there to hold on to it for the handle. So once you get it kind of sketched out, just go in there with a little heavier line there. Straight edge helps you keep it pretty well within proportion there. I'm just trimming it down a little bit. This piece. In there a little bit. So then once you get it straightened out, you can start to shade it. And even though this handle is dark black, it has the reflections in it that you can see. And starting down in the section, for example, kind of see these ridges. That part. And the shading of the cylindrical part. You find some of these edges. And then there's a little bit of texture lines here. dark actually has all the light taken out of this part of it. And this part with a cross. So when you see that top piece, just using the straight edge to make a guide almost to start those. This also helps you with a guide right here. Sign that up. So it keeps it kind of centered. Then you go back in and just heavy up some of the values. That'll keep you set up there. Kind of keeps it going across there. Hey.
Did you say shush while trying to blow my nose? Oh, you're recording.
Hey. That kind of gives you a pretty good sketch to start off with, beginning layout.